Tripped sent me these 7 packing cubes for my review, and I have tried a lot of packing cubes before, and I don't think I've ever tried any that were this light. I think that is really awesome because it's not going to add any extra weight. So this set here comes with 2 of the extra large. So these are super big, which is nice. These are also expandable. So you do have this great zipper around here so that we can, let me show you, and then check that out. Look at all of this expansion here. So then these extra large ones, obviously, of course you can pack these however you want, but in the extra large ones, this is usually where I put my pants, anything bulkier, like check out the room that you've got in here now that I've opened them up. They've got these really great handles here, and I love that it comes with 2. You usually only get 1 of these extra large ones, but I love that you have 2. This one here, again, of course you can use for whatever, but they are suggesting this is the laundry bag, which makes sense. I do love that you've got a nice little hard piece here, and then you can just kind of roll that, and then you can clip it here, which is really great. Then this kind of becomes like a handle to grab it and go. And then of course, you know, if you've got some smelly socks and stuff in here, you're kind of keeping that trapped inside there, which is really nice. And then you also have the small and the extra small. All of these, of course, you have that little extra zipper here. So all of them will become expandable. As you can see, that literally takes a second just to open that up. And then you've got all this space. So these ones, of course, you know, bathing suits, shirts, tops, so on and so forth. And then you have this one here. They're calling the sleeve. I've never seen one this size before, which is neat. And they are suggesting this one kind of, you know, for like your underwear, you know, bras, socks, and so on and so forth. And then, of course, you have your shoe bag. Again, you literally can use these for anything you want. Use them however works for you. But these are just kind of some of those suggested uses. Love that they've got all of these handles on here. And again, for me, the kicker is just the fact that they are so light, not adding any extra weight to your luggage.